Okay, looks like the scare with the spiders is over. During that last video, I thought I had spiders crawling on me. I killed a couple, but I didn't pause the video. At any rate, okay, remember, boys and girls, not only is this list of topics on the review document not complete on purpose, but neither is the video series not complete. You are still responsible for going out in every standard you're going to be tested on, studying everything we've learned all year long. Here's another review concept: transforming both of these lines into slope-intercept form. Hey, what's the basic slope-intercept form? Can you tell me the basic form of that equation, everybody? Yep, keep going. mx plus b, that's slope-intercept. So both these lines, we're going to change them into slope-intercept, and then we're going to go one step further. We're going to find the slope first, and put these into point slope form, and then convert to slope-intercept. Okay? So all the categories of converting lines back and forth right here in these little problems. So if I want to isolate y, this is kind of like the same thing here. All you do is isolate y. What do we do first on this one? Subtract 3x, that's right. So are 12 and 3x like terms, boys and girls? No, they're not, and technique is to put the x term first. So it's negative 3x, and that's plus 12, and then what do we divide by? Yeah, divide by 6. Should you reduce this fraction? Yes, you always reduce is the answer. So it's going to be, I think, negative 1/2 x, and then that's plus 2. Piece of cake, right? Okay, you guys help me out on this one. What do I do first on this one? Subtract 8x. Isolate y is the correct answer. So it's negative 4y equals negative 8x plus 2, and then divide by 4. Okay, let's see, negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2x. What's 2 divided by negative 4? Minus 1/2. It's not negative 2. 2 over 4 is 1/2. Okay, so that's going from standard form to slope-intercept. Now we've got to calculate slope over here and then find the point slope and then slope-intercept form of these lines. Now, you all have been taught 2 or 3 different ways to calculate slope. Okay, I'm not going to belabor that point here. Calculating slope is on you. You learned this a year or so ago. If you want to come and have me teach you this technique I'm about to show you 2 techniques, please talk to me outside of class. But we got to remember, slope is rise over run. I always do this the easy way. Start here. What did I do when I went from 4 to 9? I went plus 5. I went up 5, right? What did I do to go from 2 to 5? Plus 3. Bam, that's my slope. Okay, so then we need point slope form. I'm going to use that point right there. So we do y minus, what's the y coordinate? 4 equals the slope, 5/3, and then x minus 2. We're going to stop there and not distribute the fraction through because it just gets ugly. Well, okay, it's 5/3 x minus 10/3, but I don't want to have you guys do the fraction with the 4 there. So let's do another way to calculate slope. Stack the points on top of each other, and then, because you're subtracting the points, if I'm subtracting, aren't I just changing the signs? So then it's rise over 1. What's 13 plus 7? 20. And then what's negative 1 plus 4? Isn't that positive 3? So boom, the slope is 20 over 3. And we could do the same thing we did up there, point slope form. I'm going to choose this point. Y minus a negative 7 is y plus 7 equals my slope, 20 over 3, and then x minus a negative 4, isn't that plus 4? And then we'll stop there. Okay? Let's see if I did that right. From negative 7 up to 13 is 20. From negative 4 to negative 1 is positive 3. Yeah, got it right. Is there a question? No questions? Okay, that's good for today.